Today, we dive into the revolutionary Nikon Z8 II, a camera that raises the bar for mirrorless photography and videography. This is not just an incremental upgrade, it is a bold leap into the future of imaging technology. Whether you are a professional photographer, a passionate hobbyist, or a content creator, this camera promises to redefine your creative boundaries. Stick around as we unpack its groundbreaking features, advanced capabilities, and why it is poised to set new standards in the industry. Design and build quality, the Nikon Z8 II exhibits a perfect blend of form and function, crafted for those who demand excellence in every shot. With a rugged magnesium alloy body, the Z8 II is both lightweight and durable. This design ensures you have a reliable companion whether you're braving the elements or shooting in controlled studio environments. Weather sealing offers added protection against dust, moisture, and extreme conditions, making it suitable for any demanding shoot. Comfort is a key feature, with an ergonomic grip that minimizes strain during prolonged use. The intuitive button layout enhances usability, allowing for seamless customization based on your shooting needs. Additionally, the dual card slots support CF Express Type B and SD cards, delivering high-speed performance and versatile storage solutions. Whether it's a fast-paced event or a serene landscape, the Z8 II is designed to excel in every scenario. Unparalleled sensor and image quality. At the heart of the Nikon Z8 II lies a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, working in tandem with Nikon's cutting-edge XP8 processor. This powerhouse duo ensures breathtaking image quality with vibrant colors and an exceptional dynamic range. From awe-inspiring landscapes to intricate portraits, this camera captures every detail with remarkable precision. The expanded ISO range provides stellar performance even in challenging low-light conditions, while advanced noise reduction algorithms maintain clarity. For professionals, the 14-bit RAW file support allows for extensive post-processing, ensuring you retain every nuance of your shots. With a burst mode that achieves up to 20 frames per second, the Z8 II is perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects with ease. Mastering autofocus technology, the autofocus system in the Nikon Z8 II is a marvel of engineering, featuring 493 phase detection points combined with next-generation AI-driven subject recognition. Whether you're tracking athletes in action, capturing elusive wildlife, or shooting portraits, this system locks onto subjects with precision and speed. Eye detection autofocus has been optimized for both humans and animals, delivering pin-sharp focus even in dynamic scenarios. Videographers will also appreciate the smooth autofocus transitions in video mode, making this a hybrid powerhouse for both stills and motion. The camera's intelligent tracking ensures you never lose focus on your subject, no matter the complexity of the scene. Cinematic video capabilities for filmmakers and content creators. The Nikon Z8 II offers unparalleled video recording capabilities. It supports 8K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, providing immense flexibility for cinematic storytelling. The ability to shoot in 10-bit with internal recording options, including N-Log, HLG, and ProRes RAW, ensures professional-grade video quality. Enhanced heat management allows for extended recording sessions, while features like focus peaking, zebra patterns, and a built-in timecode generator streamline production workflows. Whether you're creating content for YouTube or working on a feature film, the Z8 II is equipped to handle it all with finesse. Seamless connectivity and workflow integration. The Nikon Z8 II takes connectivity to the next level, offering Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a high-speed USB-C port for tethered shooting and charging. An Ethernet port facilitates ultra-fast file transfers, ideal for studio environments where time is of the essence. The dual card slots simplify file management, while the integration with Nikon's SnapBridge app enables remote control and instant sharing of images and videos. These advanced connectivity options ensure that your workflow remains smooth and efficient, whether you're shooting on location or in a studio. The Z8 II is designed to adapt to the diverse needs of modern creators, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. Extended battery life and user experience. Equipped with the Yen EL15C battery, the Nikon Z8 II offers extended shooting sessions, ensuring you don't miss critical moments. For added convenience, USB-C charging support allows you to power up the camera on the go. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder and tilting touchscreen LCD provide flexibility for creative compositions, making it easier to capture unique perspectives. An intuitive menu system and customizable controls further enhance usability, ensuring that the camera adapts to your individual workflow. Whether you're capturing stills or shooting video, the Z8 II delivers an exceptional user experience that inspires creativity. Conclusion: a camera built for visionaries, the Nikon Z8 II is more than just a camera. It's a tool that empowers photographers and videographers to push their creative boundaries. From its robust build quality and exceptional image performance to its advanced autofocus and professional video features, the Z8 II is designed to cater to the diverse needs of creators. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an ambitious enthusiast, the Nikon Z8 II offers the innovation and reliability needed to bring your vision to life. If you've been searching for a camera that combines cutting-edge technology with practical usability, your journey ends here. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the Nikon Z8 II. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on this incredible camera. Subscribe to Technology in the Future and ring the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in tech and innovation. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and creating.